If your mind is racing right now and your stomach feels completely knotted up, stop trying to fix it. We are going to drop out of your overthinking mind and down into your body, into your second brain, your gut. Wherever you are right now, place both hands gently on your stomach. Close your eyes. Listen to the water. Let it breathe for you. Take a slow breath in, pushing your stomach out against your hands. Hold it and let it go. Your head is exhausted from trying to protect you. You don't need it right now. Let it rest. Your stomach holds millions of neurons, a second brain, one that already knows how to digest stress, how to process what your mind can't. Breathe into your palms again. In and out. Feel the warmth beginning to gather right there under your hands. That warmth is already yours. It was always yours. Anxiety turns you into a searchlight, scanning, sweeping, looking for what might go wrong. Let that go for just a moment. Right beneath your hands, there is something quieter. A small, steady ember. Warm, still, safe. With every breath out, that ember grows, not into a frantic beam searching the horizon, but into a lighthouse, solid, rooted, unhurried. The ocean doesn't rush. It just keeps coming back again and again, steady. You are like that lighthouse right now. You don't have to chase peace. You don't have to fix anything. You just have to let your light sit quietly, right here in this moment. Breathe in and out. When you're ready, slowly let your eyes open. That lighthouse doesn't disappear when this ends. It travels with you into the car, into the hard conversation, into the sleepless night. Your inner radar is already perfectly tuned. You are completely safe. If these 5 minutes helped you drop your guard a little, subscribe for more. And when you're ready to go even deeper tonight, the next video is already waiting for you.